Enjoy the core features of high-quality macOS VPS with incredible support from multiple locations around the world. You can connect to the macOS VPS from any device to develop iOS and XCode applications, run any Mac software, and much more. This video will show you how to connect to the macOS VPS from Windows by VNC Viewer. First, download and install a VNC Viewer. I will put the download link below the video description. Open VNC Viewer. Put in the VPS's main IP and the new VPS information email you have received, and then hit enter. A pop-up will appear. Choose Don't warn me about this again on this computer, then click on Continue. Enter the VPS's username and password, click on Remember Password, then OK. Enter the password again. Then you will see the macOS VPS's desktop. So you have successfully connected to your macOS VPS on the Windows operating system using the VNC Viewer tool.